Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This morning I woke up and wanted to do a apple pie simmer pot. This was something that I found on Pinterest, so you need cinnamon sticks, vanilla, almond flavor, as well as 2 to 3 sliced apples. So the first thing I wanted to do was go ahead and slice up those apples. So I did core the middle part out first, and then I went ahead and just started slicing down the side into some thin pieces and just put it into the crock pot. After putting these into the crock pot, I am going to go ahead and add in 3 or 2 cinnamon sticks, as well as adding in that water. I added just 1 cup of water, as well as some vanilla and some of the almond, and put it on high, leaving the top open. Hey y'all, hey, it's Sunday. I'm gonna get ready to take Sky to meet up with a friend at Jump and just let them have like an hour 30 minutes. Not sure how it works because we haven't been in so long. But anyways, I am editing a video right at the moment. Laundry is done. The kids' hair is not done, but that's something that I can easily work on. Half of dinner is already prepared for today, as it is pork chops and gravy along with some green beans. So Charles put the green beans on the crock pot yesterday. I just have to make the pork chops and gravy today. So I'll get myself together in just a little bit, pick the camera back up, and then check in with you guys at Jump. Alright, so we are just now leaving Jump. Sky's back there, and so I am gonna head home to get ready to make those pork chops and gravy, along with just reheating up the green beans, and go from there. Right, so here's the pork chops. Here is my seasoned flour. I have 1.5 teaspoons of the seasoned flour put to the side. These have already been washed off. I'm gonna coat these in. Go ahead and get my vegetable oil going here. And then I have to save 2 tablespoons of this. So I'll just put it all in here, which is what I normally do. And just save 2 tablespoons of the oil once I'm ready to make the gravy and put the pork chops back in. If they're thick pork chops like this, allow them some extra time to cook. Always responsibility. Hey y'all, and happy Monday. I have a few things that well, not even a few, just one huge thing I need to get done today. So I need to go to DMV and get my name put on the new car. So that's what I'm gonna do as soon as I get off. Hopefully it does not take long, because I really don't feel like sitting up there all day long. But anyways, yeah. See you guys later when I have to go. Now it's time to fight with traffic to go up to DMV. Y'all, I surely hope that this does not take long, because I don't want to be in here all evening long. Hey y'all, hey. So I got done with DMV earlier, around 4:15. Went and got the kids, went home, and fixed myself something to eat. So I'm running really quickly out to CVS. I don't really have a reason to go, but let's just say that that's my plan for right now. So I really need to get my schoolwork done, as it is due. Well, my homework exam questions are due today, and then the actual exam. I think I'm doing really well on the class at the moment, so I'm not going to worry about if I can, get the exam done today. It can always be done tomorrow. I really just wanted to get everything done with, but I know that that's not the case. I really feel like I should say this in a different video, but it's just it's so annoying. If you're watching my videos and if you think that I need help on my videos, let me just say the first thing is going to do to reach out to me, okay? I'm not paying you to help me with my channel. I'm not paying you to boost anything. At the end of the day, this is all strictly for fun. It's just for memories, and it's just for a reflection back on my life and what I do. The last thing I'm about to do is pay somebody to help me with a channel that is growing on its own and just fine. I think that the amount of messages on Instagram and the amount of messages that I get through email, it's just y'all take y'all sweet time to copy and paste this message about wanting to help us YouTube creators with our channels, and it's not growing the way that you want it to grow, okay? If it wasn't growing the way that I wanted it to grow, okay, then yes, I will holler at you, right? But the fact that they go over to your Instagram, follow you, and then start hitting all these like buttons and stuff, you don't like any of my posts. You just are doing that so that you can get in good graces with me, and so that I will sit up here and be crazy enough to pay you to help with my YouTube channel. I don't want help. Bye.
Select number of CVS.
Y'all, I remember when M&M's used to be $2-3 a bag. Now it's just M&M's is $6, y'all. Look, they better be lucky that I want to make something for Halloween, because that's the only reason why I bought this bag. So I got the Ghouls Mix M&M with the yellow, purple, and orange. And then I needed to re-up on ibuprofen, as well as headache relief, extra strength. And then I also needed to get some Tylenol. And then I also needed the pumpkins for a Halloween treat or whatever for the kids. So yeah, luckily I had $3 for my extra care that came off. So all of this in total for the 5 items, $24. So I am heading back home to go ahead and knock out that homework piece. Hopefully I can be done today with just the homework, at least by bedtime, which might be 9:30 for me. I think today went really well, so I'm not in a rush to go to bed just yet. Like I said, I need to get it done. Good Tuesday morning, y'all. I am heading back to work from dropping Cam off at the bus. This is like a every morning thing, and it's probably just gonna be like this for the rest of the year. And I'm just gonna let it roll because it gets me 10 minutes away from work. So I pulled over really quickly when I dropped him off and did a fishtail braid. I have a lot of assessments to finish. I have about 16 to finish, and now I'm finishing the ones that are staying in my classroom. So hopefully I can get them done this week, because they have to be done. They're supposed to be done by the end of the month, so September is almost over. But anyways, today is gonna be one of those hurry up and go home type of days because I still have my homework from yesterday that I clearly could not finish. I just was so drained from, you know, just like work. One of the little kids yesterday, of course, which is a reason why I have to stay in my classroom, is he goes and tells me his mom doesn't want us to tie his shoe. And I was like, okay. And then I was like, I don't really care if your mom wants, you know, your shoes tied by us or not. You need them tied. It's just the simple things. Like, I see where you're getting this from, your mom. But at the same time, like, your shoes need to be tied, otherwise you're gonna trip and fall. It is kind of drizzling here this morning. But like I said, it is what it is. I didn't bring lunch today, so I probably will end up going out to get me something to eat. Even though I think I bought, or I have ramen noodles at work, but I don't feel like cleaning that up. All right, y'all, so I came up to McDonald's real quick. I think I'm just gonna get me a 6-piece chicken nugget, small fry, and a drink. Anyways, y'all, today is not going too bad. I think that there's some kinks in my like day that, you know, I could figure out how to make go a little bit better. Like lunchtime, I have one specific student who just refuses to sit down and eat his lunch. It's like he doesn't eat much, for one. Number two, when he does eat, it's like a real quick thing, so he doesn't sit down he doesn't sit down the whole time. Lunch for us is like 30 minutes, and so that's a long time to be sitting for a kindergarten, yes, but the rest of them do it, so he should be able to do it as well. So I'm not sure, like, if I need to put an X down in a certain seat once we switch these kiddos out Thursday or Monday, or if I just need to do like a visual story of, you know, how to eat lunch and how to sit down in the cafeteria once I'm done, or whatever. Like I said, kinks in the day that just can go by a little bit smoother eventually. I only have finished one assessment today. I'm hoping to at least do 4 because these things don't take long. So the person that I was working with, I'm almost done with. So I actually got 2 done today now that I think about it. So that's a plus. But anyways, get me some lunch and head on.